Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, but before we begin, let's open up the settings on our device, right in here. Scroll down, and in the Google settings, let's make sure that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because if you are logged into other Google account, there's a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. So let's check that we are logged into this proper account. Actually, it's taking really long, so let's try again with the settings because it doesn't want to load. Okay. And in here, make sure that you're logged into proper account. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there is a lot of videos how you can do it. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so now once we have checked the Google account, we can open up our downloaded WhatsApp. Also, you need to remember that you can restore the chats only during the setup process. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Click on agree and continue. We can click allow to send us notifications, and now we need to type our phone number. We can do this manually, or we can click on what's my number, and it will be automatically copied. So everything is up to you. Now I'll do it. I'll type my number, and after typing the password, we'll need to verify our phone number. We have two methods how we can do it. We can use the missed call function, which is, in my opinion, is the best, and also we can use the code from the SMS message. So pick the method that you want. Here it is. Click on continue or verify another way. Currently the missed call is selected, so I'll just click on continue, then click on allow. Now the phone is requesting for a call. It will be done automatically, so don't worry. Okay, and once you have verified, you should have something like that. Contacts and media. Now click on continue. Click on allow, allow, and allow. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made, also its size and the account on which we made it. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in the settings of my device. Okay, also remember that if you don't restore your chats right now, there is a chance that you won't be able to do it later. So hit on restore. Now the process will start. In my case, it's not going to take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, 73, 97. Okay, 18 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Hit on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want when you click on that green plus button. Then click on next. The setup is finishing. Okay, we are ready to use our WhatsApp, and in here I have the messages that has been successfully restored. So also the videos has been successfully restored, photos and normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.